this GPS tablet, model number TNDT80. Customer plugged the charger, and I don't know what he did to it, but the device stopped charging and stopped turning on. So as I show you on the microscope, when I check it, I found this diode here. It was one diode here was burning, and this chip here, it was getting hot, and tested there is a short in it. So I removed the burner diode, and I installed another diode from a tablet I got it from a tablet by the charging port. This chip still getting hot. So I removed the chip. The diode still installed. That the chip I removed. When I plug the device to the charger, the device turns on but doesn't charge the battery. So I know at the moment that the processor and other parts are good, but we have just the charging circuit is bad. So could be that the IC is controlling the charge to the battery. And we go to the next. So the next I have this GPS is the same brand, but is a different model, different board in it. So I plug it to the charge. You can see it take about 130 milliamp. think this is still yeah, this one it has a cracks. Let's see if I can get it to turn on. Maybe the battery is low, but we have some charge going to the battery. So this is the tablet. The board is look different than this one, so we can't swap the board. And I look around the charger port, and I did see this. There is a diode, there is a chip, there is a coil, capacitor. And if I look closely to this one, so let's check it in the microscope. Yeah, this one. Yeah, you can see this chip here is a TH4 something 3. This part number is different than the one we removed, but the diode is the same, SL. And I checked how this IC is set up. We have this pin here is connected to this side of the coil. This pin here is connected to this side of the coil. This pin and this pin is connected together the same way here, connected to this coil, connected to this capacitor. So that's what I did see so far. And here, yeah, we have this pin and this pin connected together and connected to capacitor that we did see over there, and is connected to the coil to this side. This pin here is connected to the coil this side, because I check with the multimeter from here to here, there is a connection. And I think one of this one is connected to the diode. So kind of the same setup in this one with this one here. So I'm going to take the IC and I take the diode and put them here and see if that's going to fix the problem. So I solder back the battery after I replace the diode and that IC. So let's plug it to the power. All right, yeah, we see the battery symbol. That's great. And the device it take about over 1.2 amp. So let's power it on. Yep, it's turning on. Yeah, you can see the battery symbol is charging, because I did charge the battery with the external power supply the first time when I was testing it. Touch screen works. So yeah, the over 1.5 amp. So definitely battery charging. SpaceX. Yeah, this is all for this video. Thank you for watching and see you next one.